No, what can be done? Has that been looked at? Well, two questions. First, what is happening to women?
Mm-hmm.
And what is happening to female babies? We're talking about lowered sperm count. What's the effect on female children?
So this delicate testosterone balance that I talked about can go the other way for females, but that's not through something like phthalates. It's through other chemicals, possibly. We just published a paper that, and this is early, I'm not going to, this not the same weight of evidence at all as I have for the phthalates, but we just published 2 papers in which we showed that when mothers were exposed to higher levels of a certain pesticide, which is in Roundup, which is, have you heard of Roundup?
Glyphosate. Yeah.
So that anogenital distance in the girls was more masculine.
Mm.
And that was shown in rats as well. So that may go away. This was the first study. It was a small study. I don't know that that's going to stick, but that's the kind of thing that could be going on, that there are chemicals out there that increase testosterone. They're called proandrogens, and they can mess up females in sort of in the opposite direction.
But it doesn't have that same effect on males, correct? Like glyphosate?
No, glyphosate doesn't. No, I don't think so. Not in our, not in our kids. So the animal data is a little not clear, but in our kids we didn't see anything in the males. But the point is that there's lots of stuff out there
that's messing.
It's messing with our hormone systems, and so that's where we should be looking. We should be looking at what's going on out there that we're taking in all the time. By the way,
right?
We call them everywhere, all the time. Chemicals, because they're just coming in. We can't stop them. We don't know what's in our bodies. And you know what? It's not fair, that we as consumers should have to worry about this. I don't think.
Right.
I mean, why do I have to?
Well, it's a complete failure on the part of the regulators.
Right.
The people that are supposed to be watching out for the general public and not allowing these things to get into our bodies, and not just the fact that Roundup is still available. Monsanto continues to sell it, and also the fact that it clearly is terrible for people when it gets into your body. It's not a benign thing whatsoever.
Right.
And that's just one.
Right.